A very good evening, friends. I, Ridhima Arora, your host and host, welcomes you all on our live channel DG Shiksha, where you will get the information that inspires you. So, I'm waiting for all the friends to get connected with us so that we can start the session. So, I am seeing the friends connecting with me. Hello, everyone. Let me connect with all. Good evening, everyone. Let me connect with others so that we can start the session as soon as possible. So good evening everyone. I Ridhima Arora, the host of DG Shiksha and host of yours, welcomes you all on our exclusive channel DG Shiksha, where you will get the information that inspires you. As you all know, we are doing most of the time book reviews here. So for today's session also, we are going to have the same here. So for that, I have our guest Mudit Sharma, who has connected with us to do a book review on Rich Dad and Poor Dad, which is written by Richard and Sharon. So I would like to ask Mudit to take further the session.
Okay, thank you. Hello, I'm Mudit Sharma. Today I'm going to review this book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. This book is all about to become rich. You have to go to university, get a job, work hard. Then your salary will increase and you will become rich. No, maybe you still have to work hard. Not in your jobs, but on your investments. Those are the ones really making you money. That's the idea behind Robert Kiyosaki's books, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. The story is about the two very different mindsets when thinking about money. Poor Dad. In this story, Kiyosaki's real biological father is referred to as Poor Dad. But you would accept the guy is not really poor. I mean, he got a great job with lots of security, but he has had difficulties growing his finance. As an employee, his salary is quite nice, but his lifestyle is not match his income. That makes the family is not moving forward. Poor dad believes in studying, finding a job with large and stable company. He values job security. Poor dad believes in working for money. Rich dad. Rich dad is the second dad from the story. It's actually the father of a friend of Kiyosaki. This father is an entrepreneur. He employs about 150 people. Rich dad doesn't believes in working for money. Let other do that so he can become rich. Rich dad tell us that self-employed individuals have higher incomes and pay less taxes than employees. Rich dad is the dad who teaches Kiyosaki about handling money. His philosophy is that money should be working for you. Lesson. The main reason people struggle financially is because they have spent years in school but learn nothing about money. The result is that people learn to work for money but never learn to have money work from them. Rich dad tells Kiyosaki how to handle money to make more money. He taught lesson on how entrepreneurship works, on how to keep the books of the company. Kiyosaki also learned that there is major difference between assets and liability. Assets are things that generate cash flow or wealth. Liabilities are things that cost you money. The rest of the lesson in the book are about how Kiyosaki used the lesson taught by Rich Dad in his own life. By learning these lessons, Kiyosaki realized how powerful a tool money is, and that money can make money. Thank you.
Thank you, Mudit. It was very interesting. Like, a book is very interesting, and I should say my audience that you should inculcate the habit of reading books because it helps us to develop our vocabulary and it will help us in all around. So your book is very interesting and you have explained us very well. So I would like to thank you for connecting with us on our channel, and I hope I will catch you soon here with some another sessions with us.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. So friends, as we have reached end of this, so I would like to say everyone that we have also launched a Hunarbaz 2, which is the continuation of Hunarbaz, which we have launched last month on the Father's Day and International Yoga Day. But this time we are launching this Hunarbaz 2 in the form of videos. You need to upload your videos this time on the occasion of Rakhi and Janmashtami, in which you can share your videos which can learn, teach and lead, like you can inspire others, as our DG Shiksha main aim is to. So I request everyone to participate in that session and get connected with us in the same way as you are connecting with, and we are also having different kinds of webinar with us, so you can also connect us with that also, so that we can get connected and provide you the information that inspires you. So stay connected with us. Tomorrow also we are having a very interesting session on our YouTube channel. So don't miss this opportunity and connect with us. Till then, I would like to say everyone, stay home and stay safe. And thank you, Mudit, for connecting with us.
Thank you, Ridhima.
Thank you so much.